Hey, up close and personal, right? It always is. It's like totally always. But anyway, we're here today. I'm going to show you the shinies. Totally cool, right? Okay, so let's look at their lovely packaging. Super, super cute. Comes really well packed. Simple black box, but holy moly. So you've got Black Orchid, Phoenix, Salem, and Victoria. And then this is my first order, which was Central Station, Happily Ever After, Mega X, and Missed Calls. They are super, super shiny. I mean, the difference in sunlight, incandescent light, fluorescent light, it's always a freaking mystery what you're going to get, because they're so pretty. I mean, hello, look at this. Look at this goodness. It's like shiny, shiny goodness. And I mean, it's amazing. Like, Salem looks perfectly green, but there's purple. And I mean, you look at something like Happily Ever After, and you're like, oh, that's just silver again. This will ever focus. No, don't focus. That's okay. But it's not. It's like the prettiest, prettiest purple in there. Lighting is everything with this stuff, and you're going to see such a difference depending on the lighting you're in, which is amazing and super cool. So yeah, if you've not ordered from them, they have pretty boxes, and they do so well. So yeah, like, I needed more nail polish. We all know. It's okay. It's alright. Shiny. Shiny. No? Okay. Okay, so this is ILNP, I Love Nail Polish. This finger is Central Station. This is Happily Ever After. This is Mega X. And this is Missed Calls. Okay, and top down, Black Orchid, Phoenix H, Salem, and Victoria. Now, everything is 2-coat, with the exception of Phoenix, because Phoenix is a clear base, kind of a flecky kind of thing, as opposed to the others, which are much more of a solid base. So I mean, yeah, you can say, oh, the silvers, they all look the same. They do kind of, until you actually see them on the nail. And there's a lot of different, like, textures. Like, Happily Ever After has a lot of flex, very much like Phoenix, but it also has the sort of base of the rest of them. So yeah, I love their nail polish. It is really super, super, super easy to get off your fingers. And it's so shiny. Like, mesmerized by it. 2 coats, with the exception of something that's got a really clear base, but that's going to layer over something really beautifully. So we've got Central Station, Happily Ever After, Mega X, sorry, I moved that finger, Missed Calls, Black Orchid, Phoenix H, Salem, and Victoria. Kind of get them all close up together. You should kind of see a little shimmer shimmer. Give them a try. I think they're super cool. I mean, I paid for them all. I'm definitely going back for more. Because shinies, right? Totally. So, if you enjoyed this, make sure you like, subscribe, come back for more. There's always going to be more of this stuff added to it. I'm sorry, it just happens. They're shiny, they're pretty, they follow me home. I don't know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Pretty shiny black box. Ended up being, I mean, it's shiny there. Okay. But thanks for watching, and be sure to come back and hang out. Links are there. Go check out the hub and go see all the other things I'm doing. And yeah, thanks for dropping in and putting the shinies. I don't know why I did that. It just seemed right. I'm gonna go now. Okay. Shh. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da-da.